Your VPN is on. You think you're invisible. Federal investigators don't care about your VPN. They have 7 techniques that find your real IP, regardless of what privacy tools you're running. The same techniques are publicly documented. The tools are free, and the methods are more straightforward than most people realize. This is a privacy awareness video. Understand how it works so you can actually protect yourself. Disclaimer: educational purposes only. Understanding how IP identification works helps you protect your own privacy and conduct authorized security research. Never use these techniques against anyone without explicit legal authorization. Tool number 1. BrowserLeaks. The first tool isn't something investigators actively run against a target. It's something they know about, and it means your VPN is probably leaking your real IP right now without you knowing. WebRTC is a browser technology built for real-time communication, video calls, file sharing, peer-to-peer connections. The problem is that WebRTC needs your real IP address to function, and it establishes direct connections that bypass the VPN tunnel entirely. Your browser hands your real IP to any website that asks for it through WebRTC, regardless of what VPN is running. This is called a WebRTC leak, and it affects most major browsers by default. BrowserLeaks is the tool investigators and privacy researchers use to test for this exact vulnerability. Open it right now with your VPN running. If your real IP appears in the WebRTC section, your VPN is not protecting you the way you believe. Your real IP has been visible to every website you visited during this session. Investigators who know a suspect is using a VPN will direct them toward a page running WebRTC detection in the background. The real IP comes back regardless of which VPN is active. Open it on your current setup before anything else on this list. BrowserLeaks.com. Free, no account needed. Tool number 2. Grabify. If BrowserLeaks is passive, revealing what's already leaking, Grabify is active. Investigators place it deliberately and wait for the target to do the work themselves. Grabify generates a tracked short link from any URL you provide. The moment someone clicks that link, Grabify captures a complete profile of their connection, real IP address, not what their VPN shows, but what actually connected, country, city, and ISP, browser and operating system, device type, screen resolution, battery status, whether they're in incognito mode, whether a VPN or Tor is detected. All of it appears live in the dashboard as the click happens. In documented federal investigations, variations of this technique appear as honeypot links sent to suspects. A message containing a link crafted to look like something the target would click, a document, a news article, a social media post. The moment the target clicks, the real IP lands in the investigator's dashboard, regardless of what anonymity tools are running. The critical lesson: never click links from untrusted sources. Every click is an HTTP request. Every HTTP request carries a connection IP. Grabify reads that IP the moment it arrives. Grabify.link. Free. No account for basic use. Tool number 3. MX Toolbox Email Head Analyzer. Every email carries a hidden chain of information inside its header, and most people sending emails have no idea this data exists. When you send an email, your mail client embeds information about the sending server, the route the message took, and in many cases, the sender's originating IP address, all hidden inside the email header in a field most email apps never show you. MX Toolbox parses this header and makes every IP in the chain immediately readable. Federal investigators use email header analysis routinely. When a threatening email arrives, when a fraud scheme communicates via email, when any communication is sent from what the sender believes is an anonymous account, investigators pull the raw email source, paste it into the MX Toolbox header analyzer, and the originating IP appears within seconds. Even accounts created specifically to be anonymous often leak the real IP through the mail client's headers. Most people don't configure their email client to suppress this information because they don't know it's being embedded in the first place. Paste a raw email you've sent yourself into MX Toolbox and see what your own mail client is revealing to every recipient. mxtoolbox.com/emailheaders.aspx. Completely free. Tool number 4. Exif tool. Photos and documents don't just contain visible content, they contain a hidden layer of metadata, technical information embedded automatically by the device or software that created the file. Exif tool reads all of it. GPS coordinates recorded at the exact moment a photo was taken, precise enough to identify the specific building, sometimes the specific room. Device model and serial number. Software version. Creation timestamp down to the second. In some file types, the IP address of the server the file was created on or transmitted through. Investigators use Exif tool as standard practice when analyzing files received from suspects. A photo sent claiming to be from one location contains GPS coordinates placing it somewhere entirely different. A document claimed to be created independently shows metadata revealing it was created on the same machine as another document at the same timestamp. For IP investigations specifically, network device information and routing data sometimes survive in file metadata depending on how the file was created and transmitted. And GPS coordinates, while not an IP address, often identify a physical location with more precision than IP geolocation ever could. Exiftool.org. Free. Available on all platforms. Tool number 5. IPinfo.io. Once investigators have a real IP address from any of the 4 previous methods, IPinfo tells them exactly what that IP means. IPinfo maintains one of the most accurate and comprehensive IP intelligence databases publicly available. Every query returns geolocation down to city level, the ISP and carrier the IP belongs to, the ASN and organization that owns the IP block, whether the connection is residential or from a data center, the host name, and critically, whether the IP is associated with a known VPN provider. That last detail is where investigations progress. An IP that IPinfo identifies as a NordVPN exit node means the investigator now knows which VPN service was used. A legal request to NordVPN for that IP's connection logs, depending on the provider's actual logging policy versus what they advertise, may return the real IP behind the VPN. No log VPN policies have been tested in court. Some held, some didn't. IPinfo shows investigators exactly which VPN provider to send that legal request to. Free tier includes 50,000 monthly lookups. Tool number 6. Shodan. Every device connected to the internet has an IP address. Shodan indexes all of them. Shodan continuously scans the entire internet and records every accessible device. Servers, routers, cameras, smart devices, exposed databases, industrial systems, with their IP addresses, open ports, running software, and banner information. For IP investigations, Shodan provides 2 specific capabilities that other tools don't. First, historical records. An IP that belongs to a suspect today may have hosted different services or pointed to different infrastructure in the past. Shodan's historical scan data shows what was running on any IP at any previous point in time, building a timeline of how that IP has been used. Second, infrastructure correlation. When investigators identify one IP associated with a suspect, Shodan allows them to search for other IPs running the same services, the same software versions, the same banner content, or the same SSL certificates. Infrastructure that a single person controls often has consistent technical fingerprints across multiple IPs. Shodan.io. Free account with daily query limits. Tool number 7. Wireshark. Last one, and the deepest level of IP investigation available without specialized law enforcement infrastructure. Wireshark captures every packet flowing across a network interface, every IP address, every protocol, every connection, every piece of unencrypted content. In authorized network monitoring contexts, corporate security, authorized penetration testing, legal interception, Wireshark provides complete visibility into every device connecting through a monitored network. For IP investigations, the key capability is real-time capture. When a VPN connection drops for even a fraction of a second before reconnecting, a kill switch failure, a brief network interruption, Wireshark captures the real IP that appears in that gap before the VPN reconnects. That split-second exposure is logged. The timestamp is recorded. The real IP is documented. Network forensics in documented federal cases has used exactly this technique. monitoring network traffic at a location where a suspect is known to be operating and capturing the real IP during brief VPN interruptions. Wireshark is also the tool investigators run to confirm that every other method's findings are accurate. The packet doesn't lie. Wireshark.org, completely free and open source.
Like and subscribe for more. Drop a comment. Did your VPN pass the BrowserLeaks test?
See you in the next one.